Today's hypnosis, AI business and innovation. This is where the mind becomes the machine. Now, again, we always start off with taking a slow, deep breath in. And this time, as you exhale, imagine your mind clearing, like a computer freeing space for new data. We all know what that's like. See your mind releasing of all that extra information that's been lagging your computer. And each time you exhale, you're releasing it all and it's being pushed far, far away from you. Now, imagine your mind as a vest. It's actually a neutral network that you're wearing as your vest. There's creativity, logic, intuition, and it's all lighting up like constellations. And AI, it mirrors this brilliance, not replacing you, but amplifying your designs. Because you know what? You are the architect. Technology extends your reach. Your humanity guides its purpose. In this space, you understand that innovation is not competition. It's collaboration between your human insights and that machine precision. That machine precision that you are now wearing as your vest. And so this makes you calm. You feel it. You feel grounded. You feel like a visionary. And you're feeling it throughout your body as you can feel it tingling from head to toe. Now again, take another deep breath in and out. So on the count of 3, knowing that your human intelligence and AI are partners in your progress, you feel amazing. On the count of 2, you feel like you're in charge and that you're shining your brightest self right now. And everything around you is connecting with your thoughts and ideas. And on the count of 1, you open your eyes and you lead with clarity, intuition, and technological mastery. You're welcome. See you next time.